Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here for the intro? Scott, alright.
This is the Southern Thunder demo vehicle. Myself and Cigar Joe, we got two different vehicles going, and this is the last one's gonna be an appearance on the Powerhogg stuff. We're about to do a sundown rebuild on everything, but it's a 2.2 to 1 fourth order bandpass box. Sorry about that. But I guess I finally said it loaded. Yep. So I got one 7500 wired at 2.4 ohms right now on 6 subs, just to make it so I can just demo all day. I got the RZ 250x4 on the front doors, and 80 amp hour LTO on one brand X 320.
Alright. And did you build this?
My buddy Jake Zimmerman did the box, and I did everything, all the wiring and installation. Yeah. Okay. And it's still a work in progress. I'm still going to do a roof and stuff like that, but just got a deadener.
So what made you do deadener inside the box?
I was actually getting a little bit of flex in it, but I didn't want to throw braces in there. And then all reality, I was like, hey, I got it. I got the excess deadener, and all reality, I gained wind and a little. I'm not being dead serious bandwidth by taking the box. Yeah,
nice. It works.
The big thing is it's such a big cabin. I wanted to push everything forward.
Yep.
But it was really nice on 2 amps, but 1 it still is pretty good. You can play it all day.
What is a subwoofers rated at?
2,000 watts.
2,000 RMS.
Yeah,
okay.
so I'm severely underpowering. It's probably rising to infinity and beyond.
I'm sure it was a lot better with the second amp in.
Oh, for sure, yeah. But like, I'm literally yanking it up this weekend. We'd make sure we get the show too. But yeah.
Appreciate it, Scott.
Yeah,
Thank you, man.
You and your friend.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the walk around we just got of Scott's system. This was at the local show in Dublin, Georgia, Small Town Showdown in 2021. He has a newer system now, but I finally got to uploading this one with some Powerhogg Subwoofers, a new brand out there that I've never really seen before until now. So he did a really good job. Shout out to you, Scott, for the great demo. We're going to show everybody 5 different clips and 5 songs that he's going to try out and play, get some inside and outside subflex. For that, go ahead and comment if you haven't already. Let him know some positive things you like about Scott's system. I definitely like the logo look of it, the way he has everything installed, and he's only running one of the 2 amplifiers, so he can play music all day with clean signal, not have to worry about any amplifiers shutting off. When he has 2 amplifiers in, I'm assuming he's running down to a half ohm or 0.3 ohm instead, so he has only 1 amplifier ran around the 1 to 1.5 ohm mark, playing all day without any issues at the show. And also, with him having this Dynamat installed into the actual subwoofer box, I was pretty impressed to see the sound output, and you could tell that the box was not moving but just a little bit when you see the actual subwoofers playing in a minute. But anyway, shout out to you, Scott. Really good job with the demo. I enjoyed it. We're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. Everybody, thank you for watching my daily cardio videos. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and enjoy the demo.
Oh, the high note was good. I was looking for a favorite game. There we go, boom. What the heck did you do that for? Sorry. I just lost my Bluetooth. Dude, my freaking camera's been doing that for like a week now. That's retarded. But, sorry, Jacob.
Oh, you're good, man.
Generally never takes and disconnects Bluetooth like that.
It's all bad luck. You never know. Wow. Is this one roof too?
Yeah, it's 3 inches thick.
Wow. a good day.
You too, buddy.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.